The first surface treatment after installation of the mafi floor. Mafi highly recommends that installation and the surface re-oiling finishing are carried out by a certified mafi professional. After installation, the floor must be thoroughly freed from dust. Shake the mafi prof, oil or wood floor oil well before use. Mafi wood floor oil is a 100% non-solvent product. Carefully apply a small quantity of oil onto the floor and massage in using a buffing machine and white pad until all oil is absorbed by wood. Finally, polish dry using a sheep's wool pad. Important: always soak oily cloths and mafi sheep wool pads in water to avoid the danger of self-combustion. The unique penetrating mafi oil surface can be walked on after 24 hours and hardens in the wood in about 14 days. After that, cleaning is always done using mafi wood floor soak. Register your floor at mymafi.com and benefit from even more advantages.